Hello, I'm Brian Barclay, Director of Sales at DuraVent, a leader in venting innovation for over 60 years. Today I'd like to talk to you about the basic kit. Actually, the redesign of the basic kit, we now call it the up kit. When a consumer comes in and purchases a stove, they really only have two ways to go out of their house. They either go out through the wall or up through the ceiling. Up is the most common. This particular kit, which like I said was the basic kit, is now the up kit, has all the pieces and parts to go up and out through your house, through the roof and ceiling of your home. The kit itself, like I said, has been redesigned. It has verbiage on it. The verbiage actually tells the homeowner a lot clearer what's in the box. It does have a color-coded breakdown drawing that shows the pieces and parts that are in the box. It also has some description. Just makes it a whole lot easier for them to know what they're purchasing. On this side of the box, we've actually added a large-scale, high-res drawing that shows all the parts in the box. Like I said, all this is just designed to make it a lot easier for them to go home, do a successful installation. Now, the kit itself does contain all the parts to go up. It does come with a ceiling support box. Ceiling support box is the part that allows you to penetrate through the ceiling. It is the connector point between the connector pipe and the chimney itself. The ceiling support box comes with a top collar on here. It's a support collar. The collar itself turns the box into an attic insulation shield. This way, when they put it in, the insulation in their attic won't drop down in around the chimney, which is very dangerous. So that's what keeps it out of there. So it becomes a two-piece item. The old basic kit actually had a separate attic insulation shield. Now it's 2-in-1, perfect, easier to install. The kit does come with two collars for the bottom. This allows you to either hook snap lock pipe to it, DuraBlack or DVL, so you have a couple of choices there for the connector pipe. It comes with a flashing. The flashing is the part that covers the hole that you cut into your ceiling, or in your roof, I'm sorry. It does have a cone on it. On top of the cone is a storm collar. Storm collar is what keeps the rain from going into your attic. Comes with a termination cap. Termination cap, basically the frosting on the cake, the top there, that's in there. So what you have all together is, like I said, the pieces and parts that allow you to go up, penetrate through, and go on your way. All the homeowner needs now is connector pipe that goes here and chimney that goes here. You have a complete job, successful install, all done. Like we said, we've made it a lot easier. It helps them out, helps you out, helps them out. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please go to the DuraVent YouTube channel for more content and videos. Have a great one.